Having healthy, shiny hair is something most of us strive for. But with the constant exposure to styling tools, chemicals, and environmental pollutants, achieving and maintaining healthy hair can be challenging. Fortunately, nature has provided us with a powerful all-natural remedy that's been used for centuries: apple cider vinegar, ACV. Apple cider vinegar is more than just a popular kitchen staple. It's a powerful tool that can do wonders for your hair. From balancing the scalp's pH levels to promoting shine and even reducing dandruff, the benefits of apple cider vinegar for hair are numerous and impressive. In this post, we'll dive into the reasons why you should consider incorporating apple cider vinegar into your hair care routine. Before we started, comment below where you're watching from. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And number 3 is very important. Let's dive in. 1. Restores the scalp's pH balance. One of the primary benefits of apple cider vinegar for hair is its ability to restore the natural pH balance of the scalp. The scalp's pH should be slightly acidic, typically between 4.5 and 5.5. Many shampoos, especially those containing harsh chemicals, can throw off this balance, making the scalp either too alkaline or too acidic. This imbalance can lead to issues such as dryness, irritation, and dandruff. Apple cider vinegar, being naturally acidic, helps bring the scalp's pH level back into the ideal range. By doing so, it supports a healthier scalp environment, allowing your hair follicles to thrive and promoting healthier hair growth. 2. Adds shine and smoothness. If you're looking for shinier, smoother hair, apple cider vinegar is the perfect solution. The acidity in ACV helps smooth the hair cuticle, which is the outermost layer of each hair strand. When the cuticle is smooth, light reflects off the hair more effectively, giving it a shiny, glossy appearance. In addition, apple cider vinegar helps to remove product buildup, excess oils, and minerals from hard water, all of which can dull the hair over time. By incorporating ACV into your hair care routine, you can restore the natural shine and softness of your locks. 3. Reduces dandruff and flaky scalp. Dandruff is a common scalp issue caused by various factors, such as dry skin, excess oil production, and fungal infections. Apple cider vinegar's natural acidity can help reduce dandruff by balancing the scalp's pH and preventing the growth of the fungus Malassezia, which is often responsible for dandruff. The antimicrobial properties of apple cider vinegar help fight bacteria and fungi, keeping the scalp clean and free from irritants. It also helps with itching and inflammation, which are common symptoms of dandruff and dry scalp.
One main thing that we have to be aware of when it comes to a healthy scalp and healthy hair, and that is maintaining the correct pH level. Well, here is something that I'm going to present that's not only inexpensive, but probably one of the best things that you can do for your scalp and to also help your hair grow. Yes, it is apple cider vinegar.
4. Strengthens hair and promotes growth. Apple cider vinegar can also contribute to stronger, healthier hair by nourishing the hair follicles and improving circulation to the scalp. The vitamins, minerals, and amino acids in ACV help strengthen hair strands, making them less prone to breakage. Additionally, by promoting better blood flow to the scalp, apple cider vinegar may help stimulate hair growth and prevent hair loss. The acetic acid in ACV can also help clear out clogged hair follicles, which is important for healthy hair growth. When follicles are blocked, hair growth can be stunted. By keeping the follicles clear, apple cider vinegar helps ensure that your hair can grow freely and healthily. 5. Prevents and reduces hair product buildup. Over time, the buildup of hair products, oils, and other residues can weigh down your hair and make it look lifeless and dull. Apple cider vinegar is an excellent natural cleanser that can help remove product buildup from your hair. Its acidity breaks down the residues left behind by shampoos, conditioners, styling gels, and hairsprays, leaving your hair feeling fresh and clean. By eliminating these residues, apple cider vinegar helps your hair look lighter, bouncier, and more voluminous. 6. Conditions and detangles hair. Apple cider vinegar is a natural conditioner that can help detangle hair and prevent frizz. The smoothness it imparts to the hair cuticle makes it easier to comb through, which can reduce breakage caused by tugging and pulling. ACV also helps to lock in moisture, preventing the hair from becoming too dry and frizzy. Whether your hair is straight, curly, or wavy, apple cider vinegar can be a great addition to your conditioning routine to maintain soft, manageable hair. Apple cider vinegar is a versatile and effective natural remedy for a variety of hair issues. Whether you're looking to restore your scalp's pH balance, add shine, reduce dandruff, promote hair growth, or eliminate product buildup, ACV has got you covered. By incorporating apple cider vinegar into your hair care routine, you can enjoy healthier, shinier, and more manageable hair with minimal effort. Always remember to dilute apple cider vinegar with water before applying it to your scalp or hair to avoid irritation. And as with any new hair care treatment, consistency is key. With regular use, you'll begin to see the benefits of this all-natural powerhouse in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Take care, and see you in the next video.